Hello friends, welcome to SQL practical question video series. Here is a very interesting question. So the expectation is we need to write a SQL to check whether given two strings are anagram of each other or not. First let us understand what is the word anagram means. So an anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or a phrase. Let us understand with an example. So here is a word called heart. H-E-A-R-T. We can create another word by rearranging the characters of this word. For example, by rearranging this character, we can create another word called earth. E-A-R-T-H. Similarly, by rearranging the characters of earth, we will be able to create the word heart. So in this case, these two words are said to be anagram of each other. Let us take one more example, an example for a phrase. So here is a phrase called a space gentleman. So by rearranging the characters of this phrase, we will be able to create another phrase called elegant man. So in this case, the phrase a gentleman is said to be anagram of elegant man and vice versa. So now let us check our question. So we are provided with two set of strings like heart, earth, apple, orange, a gentleman, elegant man, silent, listen, and apple, mango. So the expectation is we need to write a query to find which set of strings are anagram of each other. For example, heart and earth are anagram of each other. Apple and orange is not an anagram. A gentleman and elegant man are anagrams of each other. Similarly, silent and listen are anagram of each other. Apple and mango is not an anagram. So basically we need to compare the two strings and we need to print the output something like yes or no, depends on whether the two set of strings is anagram or not. So basically what I'm going to do is we are going to use only two simple concepts in this. In fact, these two simple concepts are already explained in the video series. The first concept what we are going to use is how to convert a string into a row of character. It's already explained here, so we are just going to use the same logic again here. The second concept what we are going to use is how to convert a row of data into a comma separated value and a comma separated value into a row of value, something like a vice versa. In fact, these two logics only we are just going to reuse in our example. In fact, this particular problem can be resolved in multiple ways. Let me show you one of the easiest way to resolve this problem. First, let me show you what the logic I am going to follow so that it is very easy for you to follow while writing the SQL. Let us take two strings, a silent and listen. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert the string 1 into a row of character like silent, one character in each row. Very similar to that, we are going to convert the word listen also into a row of character. This is the first step. Second step what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert back the row of characters into a string again using the list aggregation function. But while converting back, I'm going to convert in the alphabetical order of the character. For example, this silent, I'm going to convert into EILNST, a string like this in an alphabetical character. Very similar to that. The listen also, when you are trying to convert into an alphabetical order of the characters, we will get a string. In fact, these two strings will be exactly same. When these two strings are exactly same, then silent and listen are said to be anagram of each other. Fine. Now let me show you how to implement this logic using SQL. So I'm creating the table T and I'm just populating all these informations like heart, earth, apple, orange, a gentleman, elegant man, silent, listen, apple and mango. So let's query from the table. All these informations are populated. Okay. Now let us see how to write the query to check whether these two set of strings are anagram of each other. First, let us select all the columns from here. Serial number, string 1, string 2. First, what I'm going to take is I'm just going to find the length of both the string. Length of string 1. Similarly, let's take the length of string 2 also. I'm going to find what is the maximum length of these things. So for that, I'm just going to use greatest of these two strings. In fact, for an anagram string, the length should be exactly the same. Fine. So now because the reason I am taking this is Apple have like 5 character, Orange has 6 character, because when I want to replicate it, I want to replicate into 6 rows rather than 5 rows. That is the reason I am just taking this. Now we are going to replicate the rows. Okay, so for that I'm just going to use lateral join, lateral, select level, let's give alias L, from dual, connect by level, less than or equal to, let's use the same length, that is the maximum length whatever we have computed. Now if you see heart earth, this is replicated 5 times. Similarly apple orange replicated 6 times. That is the reason actually I computed the using the greatest function, the length. A gentleman, elegant man, this is replicated 11 times. Let me print the L also, that is the level information also, so that it is easy for us to understand. So we can see here heart earth row is replicated 5 times, apple orange is replicated 6 times, elegant man, a gentleman is replicated 11 times. Similarly silent and listen is replicated 6 times. The last set apple mango is replicated 5 times. Fine. Now let us extract the character by character. Substring of string 1 comma, use the level comma 1, because from the level position we want 1 character. So if you see here heart apple a space gentleman, here the next is like silent, the final string is apple. Very similar to this, let us give alias like C1, that is a character 1. Very similar to this, let us convert the string 2 also into a row of characters. I am giving alias as C2. So now if you see here, this is heart and the C2 column is earth, orange, elegant man. So here it is a gentleman, the corresponding string is elegant man. Fine. So now what we are going to do, we are just going to convert this character into a string back. For that what I am going to do, I am just going to use the list aggregation function. So anyway, whatever the columns I am not interested, let us comment it out. So this is not needed, so I am just removing it here. 1 second. Sorry, yeah, so let us comment out whatever is not needed here. So this is not needed actually, so let me comment out here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the list aggregation of the first set of characters within group. Let us order by the string itself, that is the character itself, because our intention is to order by the alphabetical order, right? So anyway, I'm not interested in printing the characters as it is here. So let me comment out this. Similarly, let me copy back this, and the second string also let us aggregate it. Okay, so let me comment out this. So let me call this as like string 1, string 2. Okay, so since this is an aggregation, we need to put the group by of the same set of columns. Let's say group by serial number string 1, string 2. Now if you see heart earth, this is the actual strings, that is we converted into a row of character, then using the list aggregation we again converted into a string in an alphabetical order like A, E, H, R, T. Similarly apple orange, apple is converted into A, E, L, P, P, orange is converted into A, E, G, N, O, R. Now if these two strings are exactly the same, something like this, okay, then it is said to be anagram of each other. So for that we can use the case statement. Let's say case when whatever we have already computed, let us just use as it is. So this string is equal to the second string. Let's copy paste. Then yes, else no, end. So this is our output. Okay, let me execute it. So now we got our expected output. Now you can remove the columns whatever is not needed, because all these things we just computed for our temporary purpose only. So now we just got the serial number, string 1, string 2, and the output is like whether these two strings are anagram of each other or not. If you want any questions to be answered, you can post it in the comment section or you can drop to this mail ID. But before that, you can check whether a similar question has already been posted as part of the subscriber question series or as part of the interview question series. If you're not able to find your question here, please write back to me. I'll be happy to record and post as a new video. Please subscribe and stay tuned for new feature video, interview question, SQL practical question, concept videos and performance tuning videos. Please click the bell icon if you want to receive instant notification whenever new videos are uploaded into this channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video.